Otherwise, I think I'm trying to like. Yeah, I'm thinking probably that Eve or that cover right now. The rumor is after 2, it's supposed to clear up.
Probably. I'll see if I pull your tie down tighter, that'll tighten up with the top.
He's getting on the freeway on Queensgate. What do you want me to do? I mean, it's not like they're going to be bad pictures, even if you take them inside.
Well, then the venue it is. Venue it is. And like I said, if it stops raining later, we can take you out later. So it's not, it's not a big deal.
I'm so happy that when you say really good music, you mean Bob Marley.
I do, yes.
Girl after my
Can I
phone.
please get 15 grilled snack wraps?
I'm sorry, we don't carry the snack wraps anymore.
Oh shit, what do we do?
What do I do?
Is it 20 chicken nuggets?
Can I get 3 orders of 20 chicken nuggets?
She loves the snack wraps. Did you get it? No.
Snack wraps.
But you can cut this up. Put it in a donut.
That's it? $16? Yeah. Candy! Oh, okay. Why is it only $16 for 60 chicken nuggets?
It's only $5.
You may not be surprised, but they do have stomach wraps. What? Right? That's what I said. They have these 10-inch long Mick wraps.
Everybody, eyes here. Alright, you guys don't look at me, I'm just watching the kids, okay? So everybody look in here. That's good. Let's do another one. Good guys, eyes to me.
So beautiful!
Ever since I was a little girl, I've had this idea that love had to be big. I thought it needed to be loud and boisterous and entirely consuming. I thought love was supposed to fill in all of the cracks and bring light to all of the dark places. Love would make me feel alive and complete. It should make me want to sing from the rooftops, and it would answer every question I ever had. And when I met you, I still thought I needed that big, loud love. But over these last 4 years together, I found out I had it all wrong. Your quiet love has brought me more peace than anything I've ever found. Yours is the kind of love that has taught me to love myself within it. Your love lets me be a better me. You're my quiet confidence, my silent, steady, unwavering rock that I can always cling to. You bring quiet to this incredibly loud world of mine, and you've helped me find the person I've always wanted to become. I promise to never rely on you for my own happiness, but always share with you the happiness I find. I promise to encourage you to be the strong, respectable, amazing man you are today for as long as we both shall live. I can't wait to see the way that we'll change throughout time, how we'll bend but never break. And I promise with my whole soul that I will always find my way home to you, because that's where I belong. I love you, Rufino, and I'm so excited to be your wife.
Hey, little mama, you gotta ask me if I want to.
It is my great pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Rufino Garza.
I can always see the farthest stars when I'm on you.
So we'd like to invite our bride and groom make their way to the dance floor as they share their first dance together as husband and wife.
We've been together for a while now. We're growing stronger every day now. It feels so good and there is no doubt I will stay with you as each morning brings the sunrise.
I just want to say thank you. You guys are the perfect example that I have looked up to since day one. You guys are up here. Thank you. Let's party now.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance.